TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow up 6, Nasdaq's up 6, S&Ps are up 350, gold contracts down $5.70, trading at $1,077. We have silver flat at $14.23, platinum's down $4 at $8.61. Copper down, it's flat at $2.11 a pound. Light sweet crude down 83 cents at $40.90. Oil, folks, is going after that swing low out there of $40.07. Bonds, the 10-year down 8 ticks, 126.13. The 30 down 9 at 152.31. Now, bonds yesterday, folks, went topside. They didn't have enough juice, not enough volume as they went topside. What you have out here this morning is that they are backing down, but they are also backing down with light volume. That's in that. If we continue with light volume in the bond market today, that's saying bonds are building cause for higher price. King dollar's up 27 ticks. 99.56. What King Dollar has done is it overtook the high of last week. Has lighter volume. Looks like it's rejecting higher price right now. That would make sense. Why? Because it was finishing an ABC structure on the way up. It basically missed that by 21 hundredths of one. Euro is down 16 at 106.72, and the yen is trading at 123.32. Now, we take a look at the SPY. We put the SPY up. What you're going to see with the SPY is this. The SPY yesterday rejected lower price. We had lighter volume. And now what we have is that you're expanding topside. And what I expect you're going to see out here today, folks, is that you're going to see a lighter volume. The SPY is going to try to make it up to the 206.95 area. Now, where I'm going with the 206.95 area is this. That was the downdraft from November 9th. It looks like it's setting up a small ABC structure on the way down. Market-wise out here right now, the market is pretty weak. We'll see whether it can even get up to that level. What I do expect is that you're going to see higher price, which we've already had. You'll see lower volume. That is setting up a B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. That's in your SPY. We take a look at the NDX 100. Same type of setup inside the NDX 100. What you have with the NDX 100 is that yesterday you rejected lower price. You had lighter volume. The November 9th area inside the NDX 100 is at 112.86. We've hit 111.68. And now the NDX is going to be pretty hard for it to get up into that level. So we'll see where that shakes out. What I do expect you're going to see is the same type of setup. You're going to see lighter volume as you get up into that area. Gold, what do we have with gold? Gold, folks, is testing the lows of last week as well as testing the lows of a few months ago. Now, we're doing that test with dramatically lighter volume. The way that gold traded yesterday is that you had volume as you went topside. It didn't hold price. We're backing down with dramatically lighter volume today. We've only done 84,000 contracts thus far, and you're going into 208,000. Bottom line is that you still have to reject lower price. The test is going after the 1073. Thus far, we've hit 1085. We take a look at King Dollar. Now, this is going to be the intriguing one because what we have with King Dollar is this. King Dollar had finished its ABC structure on the way up. That structure got the first leg was 99.60. The actual A to B equals C to D was 99.98. We've hit 99.77 today, and you have dramatically lighter volume. We'll see if, in fact, the price holds. Thus far, what you have out here is that the price isn't holding. That would be the test. That would be saying King Dollar wants to back down. Why? Because we got that information on the 12th. After King Dollar had hit that high, it had dramatically lighter volume, then it comes off that with 44,000 contracts. Bottom line is that when you take a look at that, the 44,000 contracts, you're testing that in dramatically lighter volume. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
If you're looking for a great opportunity to diversify your financial portfolio and hedge against the falling stock market, consider the new market-safe Metals Hedge CD from Everbank. This 5-year indexed U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to metals with gold and silver components and allows you to hedge against falling equities with a short component on the SPY ETF. You can earn up to 45% capped upside payment at maturity if gold and silver increase in value and the SPY ETF decreases across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on the CD. Don't let fallen markets get you down. Get the Metals Hedge CD. The November 12th funding deadline is quickly approaching, so hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.
The Path of Least Resistance is David White's daily trading newsletter, and if you're looking for active trading ideas, then now's a perfect time for a 30-day free trial to this powerful daily trading advisory service. David uses his years of trading experience to offer his subscribers his trading ideas each morning in his Path of Least Resistance newsletter. Using a combination of equity trades along with options, David keeps his subscribers up to date with all pertinent market information with intraday afternoon updates when warranted. Don't miss out on this great chance to get a 30-day free trial to David's daily newsletter, The Path of Least Resistance, with no obligation to pay anything. David has been delivering solid recommendations for his subscribers recently, and if you'd like to see the type of newsletter he delivers every morning, then visit the front page of TFNN and you'll find The Path of Least Resistance under Trading Newsletters. For all the details and to start your 30-day free trial today, log on to TFNN.com now.
No matter where you're listening to TFNN programming, you can always access your favorite shows on demand through TFNN.com. TFNN airs live programming every market day from 8 a.m. till 6 p.m. Eastern, and you can view each program by accessing Tiger TV through our homepage. We even have an easy link for all mobile devices, including iPhones, iPads, and Android devices, located in the top right-hand corner of the TFNN homepage. You can use your smartphone to view Tiger TV, but if you don't have a connection that can keep up with streaming live video, then you can simply visit TFNN.mobi in the browser of your smartphone for live streaming audio of all our programs. The mission of TFNN is to educate our audience directly and interactively through our interactive website and call-in talk shows. TFNN is able to teach all levels of investors the technical skills needed to trade in today's marketplace. In order to get the best information possible, TFNN has assembled the most respected financial minds in the country to provide the most current news and comprehensive advice available. TFNN.com, educating investors.